Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an exciting review for you. We'll be diving into the TAGRY X18 wireless earbuds, which boast an incredible 120 hours of playtime, are IPX7 waterproof, and can even charge your phone. And the best part, they come at an affordable price of just $49.99. And at the time of recording this video, you can get them for even cheaper. A link will be down in the description. So without further ado, let's dive right into it right here on Stuttering Tech. The TAGRY X18 has a sleek and modern design. They're incredibly lightweight and fit snugly in your ears, making them perfect for commuting, workouts, or just everyday use. The earbuds also have an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it can handle sweat and some unexpected rain without any issues. Now, let's talk about the most important aspect, audio quality. The TAGRY X18 delivers impressive sounds with clear highs, good bass, and really nice audio separation. Whether you're listening to your favorite music, podcasts, or taking calls, the audio quality won't disappoint. But if you're someone that loves heavy bass, these would not be the earbuds for you. There is bass, but not the kind of bass that bass lovers like, that really thumping bass. You're not going to get that from these earbuds. Now the standout feature, the incredible battery life. I've personally have been using these earbuds for about 2 months now, and I've only charged them the day I took them out of the box, and the case still has a lot of power left. These earbuds can last up to an astonishing 120 hours, thanks to its 2600 milliamp an hour battery in the charging case. You get 7 hours from the earbuds, and the case provides 16 full charges. You can leave your charger at home for days or months, depending on your usage, and these earbuds will still be going strong. TAGRY claims you can get up to 2 months of playtime from these buds, but that all depends on your personal usage. For mine, it's over 2 months since I've charged it, and I'm still in the 60ish percentile. So I will say for my own usage, it looks like I'm gonna take this out to about 5 months before having to charge my case, but the number can go up or be less than the 2 months depending on your usage and how loud you have your volume. The top of the charging case is equipped with an LED display, allowing you to effortlessly check remaining power and charging status of the earbuds. But wait, there's more. The TAGRY X18 charging case has a nifty trick up its sleeve. They can double as a power bank. Just connect the charging case to your phone using the USB-C to USB-A cable and get a quick boost on the go. Connecting the TAGRY X18 to your phone is a breeze. They use Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable and fast connection. Plus, they support touch controls, allowing you to play, pause, skip tracks, and even answer calls with just a tap. After spending some quality time with the TAGRY X18 earbuds at $49.99, it's clear that these earbuds offer exponential value for the price. With an impressive 120 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproofing, and the ability to charge your phone, they are a versatile and reliable choice for anyone. That's it for today's review of the TAGRY X18 wireless earbuds. If you're interested in picking up one for yourself, the link is in the description down below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech reviews like this one. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.